to that. All right. So here we have our review from the last time we had test week. All right, let's look at the classification. All right, the classification is the method of arranging animals or other things into groups. All right, so classify them by the 5 groups of vertebrates are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. All right, cold-blooded animals have body temperatures that vary according to the temperature of their surroundings. So that's something which means they use the sun to warm up and they use the shade to cool down. Whereas in us, we have the same temperature all the time, unless we're sick, and then it goes up or goes down. All right, now we're looking at warm-blooded vertebrates, which would be birds, which are warm-blooded. They breathe with lungs. They have eggs, and most fly. And they have feathers. All right, they have feathers. Next, we have mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded. They breathe with lungs. They have hair. Most have 4 limbs, and most give birth to live young and produce milk. All right, those are the 2 that are warm-blooded. And then we have the cold-blooded vertebrates, which are fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Fish are cold-blooded, breathe through gills, live in water, lay eggs, have scales. All right, amphibians are also cold-blooded. Their young breathe with gills, but their their adults breathe with lungs. They lay eggs, have smooth, bare skin, live in water and on land. Who can give me an example of an amphibian? Who can give me an example of an amphibian?
A fish?
A frog.
A frog, very good.
A snake.
Nope, that would be a reptile.
A fish, mister?
Fish, not an amphibian.
A crocodile, mister?
No, that's a reptile. We'll talk more about crocodiles and reptiles.
No, the crocodile is a dinosaur.
Mister, a cow.
All right, reptiles, all right? Reptiles are cold-blooded, breathe with lungs, have scale-like coverings, most lay eggs, and most live on land, all right? Then we looked at birds, all right? Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates that have feathers, wings, and 2 scale-like covered legs. All birds lay eggs, and almost all birds fly. Who can give me a name of a bird that doesn't fly?
Penguin.
Mister, the reptiles.
Penguins.
The turtle.
That turtle is a bear.
Iguana.
Or what, Monse?
The turtle.
No, a bird, brother.
Reptile.
Bird that does not fly.
I don't know. It's
What is the largest bird in the world?
Huh? Ostrich.
The ostrich, very good. An ostrich does not fly. It does not fly at all. All right? Okay.
Chickens.
No, chickens fly.
No, not too much, mister. Only they do like that and they fall down. Only it's like jump. Just like jump, mister.
Down. Whereas in ostriches can't. They just run. And penguins just fly in the water. Okay. Birds have lightweight feathers. Lightweight feathers that insulate them to keep them warm. All right, so that's one type of feathers. They also have flight feathers, which are the wing feathers or the tail feathers that help push the bird into the air. All right, and bird bones, air-filled bones, which are strengthened by tiny cross ribs from within. All right. All right. The largest bird in the world is the what?
The largest bird. Ostrich.
Eagle.
He's right.
The smallest bird in the world is the what?
Hummingbird.
The hummingbird, very good. And then we have what?
Bird.
The fastest bird in the world is what?
Peregrine falcon.
Peregrine falcon. All right, now we're gonna move on to reptiles. Everyone say reptiles.
Reptiles.
Well, it's all in caps. All right.
Trials and what another? What?
I'm happy that this is the last week.
Me too, bud. All right. Snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles, not crocodiles, crocodiles. And alligators are all classified as reptiles. These are certain ones that are reptiles, okay? And in the book, you only had a chance to really talk about snakes, so we're gonna talk about snakes today. You writing this down? All right, snake skin. All right, snake skin is made of keratin. Who knows what else is made of keratin? We have it on our body. What, you know what it is?
No.
It's your hair. Your hair is made of keratin. Your fingernails are made of keratin. All right. And with the snake skin, they have to shed it, all right? The shedding of the outer layer of skin of the snake is called molting. So you'll see when they have this like clear, looks kind of like plastic skin, means they're molting. They're getting rid of their old skin.
Done.
All right. Next, we have the Jacobson's organ, which is a special scent organ used, special scent organ located on the top of its mouth. All right. The snake uses its tongue to find scent particles. So little remnants of scent. So kind of like smelling. That's their way of smelling.
Mister, how is the name of that? It because I don't understand. It get a red line.
Jacobson's.
Oh. Yeah. That is the name of my uncle. Jacob.
Jacob.
Mister,
Yeah.
imagine that the human can smell from the tongue.
It'd be weird, right?
Yes. We always we will smelling our inside of our mouth.
It'd be kind of weird. It'd be interesting.
Yes.
What would happen if you have bad breath, though?
Caneta. Pero si tuviera la cámara para allá.
Okay, ready? The snake mouth.
Yeah,
We're going to talk about the snake's mouth now.
on the its mouth. The top.
Stretchable jaw. So basically, they can kind of break their jaw open to swallow food. You guys ever seen that?
Mister, I have an question.
I haven't.
There that say the snake.
Watch this. Look at this photo.
Oh my God.
You see it right here? How they spread its mouth really wide open right here. This one right here, how it's swallowing that egg. Look how it breaks its jaw. Look at this thing. This one ate a crocodile. Look at, you can see its tongue. It ate a crocodile. It ate a crocodile. This snake ate another snake. This snake is eating another snake. Snake is eating a frog. Snake is eating something, a goat. All right, those two graphics, all right. All right, but a snake mouth has a stretchable jaw, which allows it to, which helps it.
To find SM particles, you don't need to put a line like that.
For what? No, because it's connected with the Jacobson's organ.
Okay.
Done.
All right, let's talk about the smallest snake in the world. Is the blind snake. The smallest snake in the world is the blind snake, all right? It's only 7 inches long.
Oh, what? That's too little.
It's tiny, very tiny.
Like that. I don't know why Africa is where all the most dangerous animals are there.
Are they right? All right, and we have the 2 largest snakes in the world, which are the anaconda and the python. They both grow up to be very, very big. They're not the same snake, but they're very, very big.
How many?
Like 30 feet. You didn't see that other snake? That anaconda was eating a crocodile?
Oh,
Watch. Here, look at this again. Right here. And this one. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Right here. Look at it eating it. Yummy.
Done.
All right, and then the last thing we're gonna talk about is venomous snakes, poisonous snakes. All poisonous snakes have fangs, all right? The fangs inject poison. Who knows what poisonous snakes live here in Yoro? Who's ever seen a poisonous snake here in Yoro? I have.
I only 2 times. Mister?
What were you telling? Yeah, I like 7 times, mister.
Really?
I 2 times.
In the farm, my father
Okay,
catch
only
like
one.
7.
Mister?
7.
Yeah?
Mister, I only 1 time.
Only one time you've seen it?
Yes.
I saw it.
It was called, I remember the colors.
What were the colors?
It was big with yellow and black. The yellow and the black was points, black points.
Mister, listen me.
Once I couldn't hear you real well. What did you say?
That always after
Try again. I can't really hear you. One more time.
was you asking to the guys.
Oh, have you guys seen some poisonous snakes here in Yoro? I've seen a rattlesnake here in Yoro.
I have seen an anaconda.
Really? Here in Yoro?
No, here I don't know. Mister, I have seen in the farm. I have seen 7 rumbles.
Really?
Yeah, snakes. Yes.
Mister,
Yeah.
in the other house that I live after, but here in Joro, is when I see that snake. I was outside playing. I was little, and then I see that snake. My mother was here in the lunch with her friends of the work,
Uh-huh.
and when I tell she and her friends and my mom get rocks and start to get in the snake bath.
Scary. Were you scared?
I remember that day.
I bet. All right. That's basically all we're gonna do for today.
Wait, Mister, I haven't finished.